The future of business has fundamentally changed, being able to adapt, being able to be flexible, and being able to work from anywhere.
Honeywell is a business where we go to the office every day. And when COVID hit, we had to immediately transition to a work-from-home environment.
Honeywell is an industrial company that's been innovating for over 100 years. We operate across the world in industries like aerospace, oil and gas, building technologies, and even safety and productivity.
And regardless of where we are, we need access to the same information. Part of my role was helping with that pivot and provide the tools and technologies that are going to enable that. The beauty of Salesforce is that everything anchors around the customer.
Salesforce gives you that end-to-end 360 view from lead generation to servicing the customer and supporting the customer with every step in between for those sellers.
Are we creating new opportunities? Are we creating more pipeline? All of that information is in Salesforce, and it's all right there at your fingertips.
Salesforce allows us to keep the customer front and center by allowing us to look beyond our business unit silos and empower our employees to work regardless of where they are.
If we can help our sellers be successful, then they can help our customers be successful and create a great experience. That's our purpose. And Salesforce has never failed to step in and help us where we need it.